Today we're going to listen to the sound of the Sondery Distortion pedal. We're going to be playing Kramer guitar into the Marshall amp, Marshall head, and then we're gonna hear what this pedal sounds like. It actually looks pretty cool. Here's the knob for it. Turn it up and down. Okay, you got the switch up here, input in and out. All right, so let's get to it. Hey, this is the sound of the amp by itself, which is clean. Okay, now we have the gain cranked all the way up. We're gonna turn it on. There's also a volume knob right here and a tone knob right here. They're both, one's pointing this way, one's pointing that way. And then you got a switch, can go bright or normal. So we got it all cranked up. Let's go ahead and turn it on. You can also turn down the distortion so it's not so much. Okay, then we go back to Alright, so there it is, Sondery. I like to have it all the way up, cranked up all the way up.